Hello students, under the aegis of Director General Higher Education Haryana, I prepare this video for UG and PG classes. I am Dr. Anita Godara, Assistant Professor, Department of English, RA Girls College, Ambala, Kent. In this video, you will find the transcription of the words. In the last video, I made you aware about these 44 symbols according to IPA, International Phonetic Alphabets, and you have to follow Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary in order to check the correct pronunciation. Let us revise. This is a symbol for small e. E, E, U, U, O, 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 E, O, A, O. These 8 are diphthongs as we have already discussed. Ear, Ua, Ear, I, Oi, I, Ow, Ow. These are 24 consonant sounds. Pa, Ba, T, D, Ch, J, K, G, F, V, Th, D, S, Z, Sh, Sh, Z, 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 M, M, N, Ng, H, L, R, V, Y. So, students, learn these symbols and do practice, and every day you have to write down these symbols in your notebook. In the next slide, these are 12 pure vowel symbols I have discussed in earlier video, phonetics part 1. This is a long E as in sheep, ship, good, shoot, ed, o, at, o, a, o. So, students, when you pronounce these symbols in a particular word, try to observe which part of organ of speech is involved. Observe the movement of lips and observe front part, back part and middle part of your tongue. These are 8 diphthongs. Let us revise. Die means 2. One sound is glide on other. One sound starts from here, ends on smallest a sound. All these 3 are ends with a sound. Ear, Ua, Ear. These 3 symbols, these 3 vowel symbols are end with E sounds. I, Oi, I. These are end with U. Ow, ow. This is the transcription of the word. Chapter 1, Speech Sound, given in your prescribed textbook, Language and Literature, Part 1. So, in your exam, you will be asked, transcribe the following words. So, you have to transcribe these words. So, do the practice. Let us do the practice. What is the transcription of the word 10? T, A, N. This is a symbol for T, consonant. A as in set, N as in nest, tan. What is the transcription of the word play? P, L, symbol for I, play, diphthong, A or E. What is the transcription of the word this? The, E, S, this. Have, H, A, V. Flout, again diphthong, Au, F, L, symbol for out, flout. This is the transcription of the word flout. Gate, G, again diphthong, A and E, guide. Shaw, shave. Shaw as in shoe, symbol for diphthong, I, shave. Boy, again you will find diphthong, B, O, E, oi, boy. Yes, this is a symbol for ya, s, yes. Bird, this is a sound as in bird, b-a-d, bird. Cheese, this is a symbol for j sound, long e and j, cheese. This is a symbol for j sound, j, u, long u, n, June. This is sun, s-o-n, son. Dare, d and diphthong, air. And whenever you find at the end of the word, if you will find r sound and before r sound there is a vowel sound, so r will be silence. Here the pronunciation and transcription is dare, air, diphthong. Sing, s-i-ng, sing. Snow, s-n, again diphthong, ow, snow. Vocal, v-a-u-k-l, vocal. Owl, o, long o or l, owl. School, s-k, long u, l, school. Channel, ch-a-n-l, channel. Light, l-i, diphthong, light. Match, m-a-ch, match. Next, chapter 1, words. Vision, v-i-z-n, vision. Try to observe the sound of j here is z, z, zar की आवाज आती है. Thin, th-i-n, this is a symbol for th-i-n. So transcription of the word thin is th-i-n. So you have to write down this transcription in your exam. Zoo, z-u, back, b-at wala at, bat, back, b-a-k. Fowl, owl, again diphthong, f-a-u-l, fowl. S-a-u-l, soul, ow, again diphthong. Feel, long e. So take more time. Feel, fill, feel. Give, gave, again here diphthong, g-a-i-v, gave. Food, f, long u, d, food. Bull, here is small u, so it takes small time. Bull. Next, transcription of the words given in the chapter 2, choosing our universe. People, turtle, turtle. Mike, tries, trace. Escape, monkey, ma-a-n-k-e, monkey. Dam, drink, Wood or wood? Small, wood. Primate, I diphthong, ma again diphthong, primate, primate. Views, view. Mount, image. Law, us. Next, transcription of the words. Chapter 3 are named the temples of modern India. What is the transcription of the word? Famous. Again diphthong a or e combination. Famous. This is the small a. This is a diphthong. This is a symbol for fa, I, ma, a, sa. Famous. Nation. Na. Again diphthong a and e. Sha, na. Nation. Control. Ka, a, na, ta, ra, out. Control. Flood. As in cup. Flood. Flood. Ban. N. Ban. Walk. As in bird. Walk. People. Myth. Myth. Wide. Again diphthong. Practice the diphthongs. A person for whom English is a secondary language, we always take mistake in the pronunciation of diphthong. So try to observe diphthongs keenly. Wide. Open. Again diphthong ow. Open. Badly. Harm. Again diphthong. Make. Again diphthong I and e. Make. One. On. One. New. Na, ya, u. New. Year. Important word. This is not ear. This is year. Year. Again you will observe before ra, if there is vowel sound, ra is silent. So what is the transcription? Pronunciation of this word? Year. Ant. Mo. A. Die. The and diphthong. Die. Next, transcription of the words. Chapter 4, the generation gap. Person. Son. Person. Harm. Again diphthong Sense. S-E-N. Sir. Sense. Defend. Able. Again here you will observe diphthong able. Future. Before ra there is again vowel sound, so ra is silent. Future. Need. Long e. Need. Luther. Is. Enough. Mud. Now students, I prepared a easy series for you so as you can learn these symbols very easily. So let us revise and try to learn these symbols in this series. In Hindi we have only one sound, but in English we have 5 sound. This is it takes smallest time, as in about. Next is as in set. This is at. This is odd. This is cop. So in these 5 sounds, this is when we pronounce this symbol, it takes front part, and this and this and this takes these 3 take back part of your tongue. So we have 5 sound starting from smallest to increasing time is up to this cop, as in a o, op. And in Hindi we have single a, in English we have also a single sound, small e, small u, long u, o. And these are diphthongs. These glides a to e, a e, 5 oe. These 3 are and on e sound, and these 2 are on u sound, ow, ow. And these 3 are and on smallest a, ea, ea, ua. Similarly, I make a series of consonants also. We have 15 voiced sounds and 9 unvoiced sounds. So let us revise. So learner, make a series b, d, g, y, r, l, v. In English we have 2 v sound. One lower lip is attached to upper teeth ridge, and here ovule, vo, vo. This is the. We have 3 j sound. This symbol is as in June, zoo. Here tongue is curl, zar की आवाज, म, न, अंग. This is the these are voiced sound symbols, and we have 9 unvoiced p, t, k, ch, f, th, sh, h. Why I prepare this list is, whenever you find before ed there is a k, then this word is pronounced as looked, not d, but its pronunciation is ends with t sound. Whenever you find before ed there is any sound p, t, k, ch, f, th, sh, h, you pronounce that word is t. Looked, booked, theft. In theft, f is before the t sound, theft. Looked, here before ed there is a k sound. I mean to say, जब आप कोई भी ऐसा वर्ड प्रोनाउंस करेंगे जिसके ed से पहले इनमें से कोई भी मिल जाए, प, ट, क, प मिल जाए, ट मिल जाए, क मिल जाए, च, फ, थ, फ साउंड मिल जाए, थ साउंड मिल जाए, स, श, ह, तो उसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन लास्ट में ड नहीं आपको प्रोनाउंस करना, उसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन ट होगी. जैसे कि इस वर्ड की प्रोनाउंसिएशन होगी लुक्ड, नॉट ड बट प्रोनाउंस इट ट. लुक्ड, बुक्ड, थेफ्ट. Okay, so make a series and try to learn in this way. Now there is a question for you. I have taken these words from the different exercise given in your textbook, chapter 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this question is for you. I assign this question to you. Transcribe the following words. For that, you take a dictionary, Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary, and watch the pronunciation and transcription of the words given in this slide. Thank you very much. In next slide and in next video, I will make you learn what is syllable and what is stress. What is syllable and what is stress. Thank you very much.